Uh, Well, hello, Dinya.
Hello. Or
Like it?
hula, hula, yeah? No.
Yeah, Gius.
Yes. Oh,
Yes.
three. True.
Yeah.
Would you? No.
Yeah. Well, aga for things, for people is Gius.
Oh, okay.
So a slightly different numbering system for people.
We'll have to learn that.
Yeah. Okay, well, we'll get to that. Okay.
You know, while we have a second, I have two computers open, so I'm confusing mice right here. And I'm going to probably screw this up. In Boise, there's a group called Common Gaelic Bala Mor na Harov.
Ballamore
Na Harov. So what it's supposed to mean is the city of trees. And it's a Gaelic group.
Okay.
Because Boise is known as the city of trees. Not so
Oh,
much
okay.
anymore, but okay.
Okay.
So there's
Nuncrude. It should be Nuncrude.
oh, it could be Cruve. I'm not pronouncing it correctly.
Okay.
Okay, so there's the admin, and he posted this thing, and I'm going to. It has an English version. Have you ever heard of the American Gaelic Society?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay, because it sounds like what they're doing, and it wouldn't, pertain to this per se, but they're like people that speak Gaelic or groups that. This is a Facebook group, but it's actually out of. They're like they all come together. Like I don't know if they already had it, but they were going to have a Kaylee online, a free Kaylee.
Oh, okay.
Like,
all right.
Let me see. Oh, wait. When is it? It might have already happened. Yeah, this was the 13th. It said the ACGA, the Toronto Gaelic Society, the Baltimore Gaelic School already hosts Night of the Bards event, and then Scottish. But they had a Kaylee on Sunday at 1 p.m. Mountain.
Oh, okay.
And then 8 p.m. Scottish time. And it says we'll be singing songs, telling stories, and sharing Gaelic poetry. But anyway, I was wondering if you ever heard of them. It's like I said, the Gaelic, what was it called? And they're having a Burns night, it looks like. But he has it in Gaelic. And then, for us, he writes it in English too.
Right. Yeah.
So, but it's am I saying this right? Common?
Yeah, Common Gaelic.
Yeah, Gaelic Americanish, it looks like.
Okay. Oh, yeah, sure. Okay.
Yeah. So it's a group out there.
Oh, wow. That's great.
Yeah. So I'm just saying, if you knew about it, I don't know if you knew about it. There's a group out there for Gaelic speakers.
Can you send me the link?
I will try. If not, because this guy that wrote it, but he posted it on ours, was out of Kentucky actually, but I will. His name is, he has it written in Gaelic. It's Adam. Let me see Adam. He says the AGA. What did I just saw McIntyre. What was that? Burns is good, but just as good or even better are Gaelic poets like Blonde Duncan, your last name, McIntyre. Yeah.
Donnachig Ban McIntyre.
Yeah, and then Big Mary of Songs. And weren't you talking about that lady?
Marivor.
And Alistair, son of Mr. Alistair, and Sorley McLean.
Sorley
McLean. Anyway, I guess they're promoting that. I will try to see if I can. I'm trying to see if they have a link, because he's just talking about them, but then he does it in English too. Of the Night of the Bards. Okay, so this Kaylee that they had was called the Night of the Bards by the American Gaelic Society, and Gaelic is spelled as in Gaelic Society.
Gaelic. Okay.
Yeah. So yeah, I'll try to send it to you. But I had never heard of it, and I knew because they have like a little Scottish, like a Highland Games. They had it a couple years ago. And it was nothing like San Diego or anywhere else. It's just a little tiny one.
Right. Yeah.
And I know they had a Gaelic speaking, like they had a booth. And so I think that's where I got the information. And like I said, it's called like what is Common Gaelic? Like the group?
Like the group or the club, Common Gaelic.
Okay. So it's the Gaelic community of the City of the Trees is the one.
Okay. Oh, great.
So, yeah. So,
Yeah, well, if you can send me something about that,
yeah, that'd be interesting.
Yeah.
Because they're just trying to bring people together, I guess. You know, like there's all these different societies, and
right. Yeah.
so
Yeah. All right. Well, let's come on.
I'll try to remember to do that.
Okay.
I pulled it up so that I could remember if I saw it on the computer.
Yeah.
So.
Well, that's good. That's good. That's good. And here's Pat.
Yeah.
Yes, can you hear me?
Oh, we can hear you. We can't see you.
Oh, it's because I had to do it on my cell phone.
Oh, okay.
I put in the link and now it wants me to put in the passcode, but I can't quite figure that out. Could you
Okay.
give it to me and then I'll leave this and join on my desktop?
Did you not open it through the papers that he sent tonight? There was a link that way.
Yeah. Yeah.
No, it didn't open that way.
Okay. Well, if you're going to go through your desktop, you could just click that link.
You know, it didn't do it.
Hmm.
Yeah, but you just
There is
you're going to go onto your desktop.
Are you telling me there's no password? It's embedded in that?
Yeah, well, I'm looking up the password right now. But,
oh, great.
But you should not need it.
Well, let's see here. I saved the lesson and it has that. So I highlighted it.
No, just click on it. Just click from that document, just click on it. That's what I did. I didn't have to cut and paste it, I don't think.
Okay, well,
Yeah,
I'll try that.
Right,
Yeah.
right. You can just click on it.
Okay, Michael, if you find it, would you text it to me?
Yeah.
And I'll work on it. Okay.
Yeah. So just click on, now go on your computer.
Yes.
Click on the link.
Yes.
In your computer. Okay. Yeah. So you should need a passcode.
Okay, I'll try it.
Okay.
Okay. I hate to say goodbye. I may never see you again.
I never see us again. Okay.
Hey,
Look for me in the text. Okay.
So I'm yeah.
Okay.
Okay, yeah.
Now I can't get rid of you. On my phone.
Well, leave it open.
Leave. Oh, I see it. Leave. Okay. Leave. No, still no leaving.
No, you're still, yeah, you're still on the phone.
Yes, I am.
What, you know how to hang up from the phone?
Well, I thought I did, but it's not actually hanging up. It comes up leave. So I would assume that when I put leave, you know, that it would leave.
Oh, okay.
Leave.
Oh, there she goes.
There she goes. Okay. All right. Okay. Now I'm trying to find, I might have sent out the complete thing, but I can't quite find it.
You know what? Let me look in mine because I save all the emails. And I could hold on just a second. Because you did it last a couple of wait, let me see. Oh, what the heck is this doing in here?
Yeah, I sent out I think the first time I sent out the complete invitation.
Yeah, let me. I wonder if I could cut. You know what? I wonder, I have her email. I wonder if I could, because if I highlight it, it highlights for me, but of course it says follow the link.
Yeah.
If it, like, if I cut and paste that and sent it to her in an email, but I think I do remember getting, let me look some more, that you, because we were having trouble.
Okay. Oh, okay. Let's see. I think might have figured out how to.
Oh, there she is.
It's the email from the 5th. I think I used the email from the 5th when you sent out a new link.
Right. Yeah, Pat, are you there now? There she is.
Yay!
I haven't used the control button in probably 14 years.
Oh,
Okay, there you go.
Just in,
Okay. Okay, so what did you end up doing? Just clicking on the link?
well, I put my cursor over the link, and
Uh-huh.
in a box, it said to go directly to this link, control plus click.
Okay.
So I did control enter. I go, no, click. That is the mouse.
All right,
I
okay.
got it. I'm sorry about that. But I'm
No problem, no
I'm
problem. No
here.
problem. Okay, good.
You know, everything is a new thing to me.
Okay.
It's hard to teach an old dog new tricks.
Okay.
So are we on lesson 2, 3, coon?
Yeah.
Yeah.
2, 3. Yeah. Okay. So some of the, well, actually, I say it's review from last week, but only Heather was with us last week.
oh no.
She's a fast learner.
Yeah. So
Well,
anyway.
I'm losing my mind being home, so I took on a volunteer thing that's on Tuesdays, and I ended up staying longer, and so it's like, well, I guess I'll miss Gaelic tonight.
Okay. Okay. All right.
That was my thing, but
Okay, sorry about that.
No problem. No problem. Okay. All right. Okay. Yeah. So let's go over some of this stuff. Oh, let me share the share screen.
Hi, Heather.
Hi.
Hi, Michelle.
oh, oh,
Tim texted me he'll be in later.
oh,
Okay, that's good. Okay, let's see, where are we? Okay, all right, okay, so you can see the screen?
Yep.
mhm.
Mhm.
Okay, very good. Gael-Talk. Okay. Liana Aga, Capital 2, 3. Okay, and here's the Zoom link. So that's the permanent Zoom link. And like, oh, and yeah, and oh, no, I don't want to go here again.
I was just thinking about that because I know I saved the other one. I want to save this one.
Yeah.
Let me
Yeah,
see.
well, I've so it occurs to me like a year later, that I can just leave the permanent Zoom link in the because I reuse the boilerplate, the
Yeah.
template or the chapter.
Yeah.
So I can just leave that there. So, so we always have it.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Yeah, yeah. A year
Because
later.
The last one I saved like in my favorites, so I could just, because I think I was having trouble like getting into Zoom, and so but that works too though. That's actually a good idea because chances are you're opening up. Well, actually, I opened this up and print it on my desktop, and I view it on my laptop. I don't have the ability to do stuff like that on my desktop. So,
Okay.
but no, I think that's a good idea because then it's always there.
Yeah. All right. Okay. Anyway, so here's our piper of the day. Okay. Okay.
Which I need
Red
to do.
Phil, Failte, and Shanachel na Hechen. Vinegar buoy le foichen. Patience wins victory. Okay. Vinegar and not always victory, I mean, per se, and as we've talked about, sometimes you can't translate things exactly. So buoy can be victory, or it can be the effect of something, or it can be the results, so anyway, so vinegar. And this is a form that we haven't looked at yet, a verb form, but essentially it means something. It's not really patience wins victory. Literally, is one victory with patience. So this is what's called the passive. Okay, so it's it's more advanced form, but anyway, but we get a look at it. Vinegar, buoy le foichen. Okay, vinegar.
Vinegar.
Yeah. Give. Vinegar.
Is one, something like is one. Okay. Okay.
Is
And this goes along with, and so here, so tonight we get two, not just one, but two. Shanachel, Cloi Foichen va na klachen. Okay, so patience will wear out stones. Okay, will wear out. Clui,
Cluey.
foichten, patience, good patience, va, natlachen, the stones, okay?
That's pretty amazing picture there. I'd be
What's
afraid
that?
to go
I'm
up.
sorry,
That's
huh?
an amazing picture.
Yeah,
I'd be
yeah.
afraid to go up those stairs. It looks like it's
Yeah.
a water slide.
Yeah, they're pretty worn out.
Yeah, yeah. Well, that's just it, you know, and so in the old country, you see a lot of structures like this, you know, the stone's worn away. Yeah, in fact, I
Because
was
the buildings are that old, right?
right. Yeah, yeah, yeah. The buildings are that old, and you know, so it's you know, so it's not only water, but you know, it's people walking up them over centuries and centuries and centuries, and just wearing out the and these are hard stones.
Yeah.
Believe me, because I've fallen on them before.
Oh.
And they're hard.
Oh.
See, and that's to me, it looks like a cool little water slide now. You can make a
Yeah,
cool
yeah, it does sort of, doesn't it? Yeah.
No, but I'd be afraid to go up those stones. Actually,
Yeah.
like that third one up. Man.
I guess you'd have to use your hands.
Yeah,
Or use the
yeah, yeah.
side.
And you have to you know, I mean, and the stones themselves guide you to step in the middle, which
Yeah.
just,
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
you know, accentuates the you know, the wearing away. So anyway, so
They look like little-
okay, I'm sorry.
Oh, they look like little seats.
Yeah.
Yeah,
That's
little
Like their butts can fit in them.
Yeah, like a
there
water
you go. Yeah.
Get it going. Woo. Except for there'd be a hard landing. So
Oh, yeah, yeah, down here in the last one. Okay. All right. Anyway, so that's a shanach on the hecken. All right. Okay. Leva. Okay. Now, nuair and cuin. So I don't want to keep on saying, as I talked about last week, because you know, because Michelle and Pat weren't here last week, so I'll just go into it. And Heather, just ask you to bear with us, okay? But
No problem.
Gaelic has two ways to say when. Okay, and if you think about it, and if you're grammatically inclined, you'll understand that even in English, the different ways that we use when, they're not actually the same word. Okay, there's the question when, you know, when is the train coming? And then there's the conjunction when. Okay, I lived in California when I was young. You see, so those are two different whens. And in English, we use what looks like to be the same word, but in Gaelic, they make a distinction between them. So cuin is used to ask a question. Cunaha an train a chien. Yeah, so you know, might as well just say it after me. Cunaha an train
Cunaha and train
a chien.
a chien.
When is the train coming? Cunaha Junior.
Cunaha Junior.
When is dinner? Cunaha an gama a toshikuk.
Cunaha and gama a toshihach.
Toshikuk. Yeah, dleva. When does the game begin? Okay, which is for any football fans, professional football fans, this weekend and last weekend. Very important question. Cunaha an gama a toshikuk. Okay. Okay. All right.
when the Chargers left San Diego, that was it for me.
That was it. Okay.
was a huge
You decided to leave San Diego.
Yes.
Okay. All right. So now, now the other word for when, we saw it in the song Nudavami Og. Okay, so if you remember that, you know, we Nudavami Og, this sentence right here, Nudavami Og, go ahead and say that.
Nudavami og.
Hurik me out in California.
Hurik me out in California.
When I was young, I lived in California. Okay, Nudavami Og. So even though here it's in the beginning of the sentence, it's not a question. Okay. If I said Kunavami Og, I'm asking you, when was I young? you know, like what year? Okay. Kunavo. Okay.
I mean, a little finality.
Yeah.
Yeah, right. Yeah.
I'm so young.
Yeah. Yeah. But nuair, I'm going on to say something else. So the nuair is always connected with another part of the sentence, always connected with what's called another clause. Okay. You see, the kun can exist by itself. Kunaha and Gema Atoshikuk, Kunaha Junior. I mean, you know, so you can, you know, so the kun clause can exist by itself. The nuair clause has to be combined with something else, make a more complicated sentence. So, Kluchmi bal kosha,
Pluch mi balkosha,
Nuravami anan skol.
Nuravami out in school.
School.
I played football, that is soccer, okay, when I was in school.
School.
Or from actually the Shanako last week, Nuravayit Shane.
Nuravayit Shane.
So here Donakikban Makantur is talking about the women of his native community. When they sang so sweetly, Hurriet Nahion Outs Nakruven.
Hurriet
Nahion
Yon
Outs
Outs Kraven.
Outs Nakruven.
Nakruven.
When the women sang, they put the birds in the trees, like the birds would come and sit in the trees to listen to them because they sang so sweetly.
Powerful.
Yeah, and this is he was referring to their walking songs.
Oh.
You know, which was almost entirely it's something that the women did. It was a female art. You know, not only walking the cloth, but the singing that was around it. So anyway.
It's like a Disney movie. They sing and the birds come.
Yeah, that's right. They sang and the birds came. Yeah. Okay. So here's Tim.
Tim.
Hello, Tim.
Tim. He's connecting. Yeah. We're waiting for him.
Oh, he's gone.
Oh no.
He's gone. Okay. He might have to click that thing again. Okay.
Yeah. Maybe he's having the same problem.
Yeah. Okay. Now, just a little note, a couple little notes. In older texts, you might see nuair, which we write like this, written as anuair or nuair, with the apostrophe.
Nuair.
Yeah, so don't be confused, and very well might be pronounced the same, but we can see the derivation of the term. So anuair means the time.
Oh.
So anuair avami og would mean something like the time that I was young. So that's where nuair comes from, when I was young. So nuair, yeah, go ahead.
I see that now, because I'm like, or isn't that like hour, time?
Yeah, right. Yeah,
Oh,
yeah.
that's interesting.
Yeah, exactly right. Oh, here's Caroline and Tim. Oh, Tim, we're holding our breaths for arrival. Oh, that's odd. Oh, here. Oh, there we go. Okay, here we go. Okay. It took a few moments for you guys to get connected.
Yeah, I think we had to approve that it was recording or something, and I didn't realize I had to click yes or got it or.
Oh, okay. Oh, really? What an ass. Okay.
Yeah, I've had that before. Like as soon as I sign in, it asks that, even before. So just maybe it,
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Well, did it ask before? I mean, did it ask last year?
For me, it did.
Oh, okay. Huh.
And it's just probably for like Zoom things, like how you have to tell somebody, oh, you're being recorded.
Right. Yeah.
No big deal kind of thing.
Right. Yeah. Well, these days you can just assume that you're being recorded no matter what you're doing, where you are. Yeah. Anyway, so okay, so As I explained, we're doing some review this week from last week to go back over and, make sure that we get it. So, and then note 2, both cuin and nuair require the particle a. So cuin a ha entraîné chien. So so go ahead and say that and emphasize the a. Cuin a
When
Ah,
ha
and
entraîné
train.
chien. Okay. Nuair a
Nura.
Nura.
vamio vami dle. When I was young, I was very foolish.
Vamio.
Nuair vamio. Okay, yeah. So a lot of times when somebody says that, they'll just rush right over it and you hardly hear it. In fact, somebody pointed out that, I think it was when we were listening to Nurvamiog, it was actually printed Nurvamiog.
yeah, it was me.
Yeah, right. And so sometimes you won't even see it, but that's an artifact of speech. Sometimes, they just gloss over it. Like to sometimes even, how in front of the verbal noun, you always need the particle hamiado. Sometimes you'll hear people say hamido. Okay, so, and sometimes you'll see people write it like that as well, hamido. Okay, so technically, absolutely correctly, it should be hamiado, but we aren't always perfectly correct, 100% correct when we grammatically correct when we speak. Okay, so anyway, so a cuin sentence is always punctuated by a question mark, so it leads into a question. Okay, a nuair clause is always part of a larger sentence, and so I'm just trying to make these distinctions now, which doesn't mean that you can't have a sentence
with both.
With a nuair and a question. Nurva og an ro gorach. So here you have the link. But it is a question. Okay, but it is a question. So and so I just give you these guidelines, for okay. Nurchayu yan skol ambutolati. Okay, when you went to school, did you like it? Ambutolati. So that's the question. You see, so nurchayu yan skol. But in both these cases with the nuair, the nuair part is not the question part. So that might be the takeaway. The nuair part is not the question part. The question part is attached to it, just like it would be, nurvau og vau gorak. You were foolish. Okay. So now, an interesting thing. We very often translate, and in fact, I've always translated gorach as being foolish. But I just noticed, going over Nurvami Og, the song, for like the 100th time, there's a line in it, that Marivor says Vamigorach. Okay, Vamigorach. She doesn't mean, and it's translated not as when I was foolish, but when I was carefree. You see, so again, just remember, just a general observation, translations, from word to word, language to language, don't always map 100%. Sometimes they overlap. Yeah, go ahead.
On Duolingo, gorach is stupid too.
Stupid.
Like that.
Yeah. But I think that is, and I've argued this before. Not argued, but I think that's more of an English translation.
Okay.
Because Gaels don't refer to stupid as being intellectually deficient.
Okay.
Gorach refers to more of a lack of judgment.
Okay.
And we have phrases in English. Somebody has a lot of book smarts, but they don't, but they can't survive on the street or something like that, right?
There's somebody in my house living like that.
Okay. Okay. All right. Okay. Okay. So now last week we sang the whole, the whole newer song. Okay. But this week we'll just sing this first verse, and you can go back to this. Now, what I did was just to get us used to the newer. Okay. I translated. Okay. So if you remember, it's she'll be coming around the mountain when she comes. She'll be coming around. Okay. So in Gaelic, okay, be a chian kush when kush devana when it knew a hickey. Okay, try that.
Be a chin.
Hickey. Okay. Hickey. Okay. Be a chian when kush devana knew a hickey.
Be a chin.
Hickey. Okay. Be a chian when kush devana.
Be a chin.
Be a chian when kush devana.
Be a chin.
Be a cheen McCush Devana knew a hickey.
Be a
Okay. There. And so the point is to, to emphasize the newer.
Miller.
So putting it into a context that we should be familiar with. Now, at least I grew up singing this song. I mean, it's a very popular song. She'll be coming around the mountain. Okay.
I don't remember all those verses though. I remember some, but I don't know if I remember all of them.
Yeah, right. Yeah, I know. Well, very often when we sing songs, they're cut. Yeah.
I really don't remember the chicken and dumplings. I believe I would have remembered that.
Yeah. Well, I definitely remember the.
I do remember the chicken and dumplings. I don't remember Hallelujah though.
Yeah. See, I don't remember. Because you know how like in elementary school, if you went to school in California, like they would have, like your teacher, there'd be a piano in the room and your teacher might know how to play it. And you would sing.
Right, yeah. Mm-hmm. Okay. Right. Nuda hickey. Being the simple future tense. Nuda hickey. Okay. Nuda hickey. Okay. And then a coon song. Okay. Now, this is translated from When Will I Be Loved by
that's great.
Stat. Okay. So Hami Ermovelik. Urdrochreich. Kunavis Gul Ormsa. Hami Ermolekoshias. San Ormava Agrelik. Kunavis Gul Ormsa. Okay, I'm gonna pause here, just a little grammar notes. This is a neat little phrase, sound autumnava a greylick. A greylick is like a crowbar.
Oh, wow.
It was on me that was the crowbar, so, I've been pushed around. I mean, that's how you would translate. I've been beaten with a crowbar.
Person if you need a crowbar to be pushed around.
Yeah. And then at the end, I had this note about love. Remember, in Gaelic, we don't say "I love you." Love is at me, on you. Agul akam orsht. Okay. Okay. Hagul. What? I'm sorry.
The Beatles song is it? No, it's "She Loves Me." What is the Beatles song?
She loves you. Yeah.
Loves you, yeah.
She loves you. That's
Okay.
There you go.
Okay. Let's see. Hagul.
Eka.
Orsht. Gul
Or-
eke
A goal.
Yeah,
A ghoul, like a
a gul
orsh.
eke
Yeah, yeah,
orsh.
yeah.
Yeah. A gul eke orsh. Yeah.
It has the same tempo.
Yeah, sort of a gul eke orsh. A gul and a gul sa eke orsh. Ekesa. A gul eke sa orsh. Orsha. A gul eke orsha. Yeah, maybe orsha. Okay, orsha. To give it a little, to let it fill
Ove,
out
ove,
the,
ove.
Yeah.
Ove, ove, ove.
let it
Oh,
fill
oh,
out the
oh, yes.
rhythm. Okay. So, and then it goes on. Nuraloris mi dunya ur,
Nur
Nula lorish mi dunya ur.
dunya ur. Okay. When I find a new man, I hears me go heen,
Hier is me yo in.
that or who I want for mine. Koni bristi mokria anga.
Omnis priester makilis
Always breaks
yeah.
my heart into Takri imekur.
Omev ur.
Imekur, okay.
Ek ur.
Ami edamagormach.
Hami ermo.
Yeah, I've been made
Gormach.
blue. A break inish insko.
I bring it in a
So I've been lied to. Okay. Kunavis gul autumnsta.
One of us.
It's hard to hear the pronunciation on Zoom. It really is hard.
It is okay.
Okay. I've got a question. I always look at these little words and then, okay, I know goram is blue.
Yeah,
So hami ermo goram.
Mach, edamagormach.
Gorama.
Gormach. It is putting a it's putting a verb ending onto goram.
But the okay, the
It's not the color blue. It's the feeling.
Blued. Yeah, I've been blued.
Yeah.
Something like that. Yeah.
I'm hearing the like a ch on the end. I don't know why. It's
Where?
goramach or goram.
Goramach.
Mug.
Not muck, but mug. Okay.
Mug.
So
But there's a
Like
C.
it's a soft G.
yeah, soft G, a soft G.
Goramug.
Monk.
Yeah,
that.
Goramach, yeah.
Oh, okay. I'm hearing like
Me
the
too.
like
Yeah.
ch as in Bach.
Bach. No.
That's what I'm hearing.
Yeah. Not like Goramach, but
That's what I'm
Goramach,
hearing.
yeah.
Goramach.
yeah. Okay.
Well,
Is it
mug.
sometimes
More
like a
Goramach.
V sound? Wait,
Huh?
no. Is it sometimes like a V, like Victor V sound?
What at the end?
Goramach.
Yeah, the DH. Wait, no, ma. No, it's sometimes silent. Never
mug.
mind. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Goramach.
Okay.
All right.
Okay. Hami edamovelek.
Hami ermo velik.
And that's that same thing. That's that DH at the end. That's a very soft guttural. It's not a okay.
Okay.
Not Goramach,
But it's not a V sound. It's not a V sound either.
No, it's
right?
not
It's a
G.
G, a
It's
soft
not
G
Yeah, soft G. Yeah.
back here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Hurdrokreich.
Yeah.
Yes, I've been cheated, been mistreated. Kunavis gul orumsa.
Kunavis
Kunavis gorum orumsa. Inschrol.
This young.
Kunavis. All right.
And we go umsa.
Okay. Yeah, so let's see. I think we figured this out last week. I might have a karaoke version. We can try that. That's kind of fun.
I've been cheated.
Not that one. Let's see.
The music only.
Yeah, karaoke.
Yeah.
All right.
Oh gosh, we aren't gonna have to sing it to that.
Okay.
Who are you? You look vaguely familiar.
Almost.
There we go. Caravan.
Okay.
Velik. Hoordrach Greenwich. Kun Orans.
Yeah, that's that's the problem that I would that we had last week. It doesn't play the melody.
Yeah.
It plays the beat. Let's see. Is it?
Well, they are. It is karaoke.
Yeah.
Yeah. And they're trying to sing it in Gaelic.
Yeah, no, sorry. Yeah, it's because it's not playing the melody.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, just playing the bass, and the voices carry the melody. Oh well. Okay, all right. So anyway.
Oh, dang,
So-
we don't get to sing.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So anyway, so you can practice this. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Okay. And then a reminder about Gul. Okay.
You
Hagul
could-
Eka Ora. He loves her.
You could do
Mari or Seamus. Huh?
you could do instrumental. When will I be loved? Instrumental.
Okay. I
Oh.
can try that.
If you're trying to get it with the melody, but not the words.
Okay. Let's see. When will I be loved? Instrumental.
Instrumental. Yeah.
Okay. Try that. Okay.
Maybe that is what you're looking for.
Okay.
Karaoke instrumental track.
So you want EVs, you have come to the right place. Let's go. Does that sound
They
great?
always have the commercials.
Oh
Oh,
my
it's a
God.
commercial, yeah.
Oh, slow.
No.
No?
It's fast.
Yeah, it's fast. Yeah. No, it just plays the beat. It doesn't play the melody. Anyway, all right. So, and then okay, so that's love. Okay, all right. So
Well, we tried.
yeah, we tried. Okay, so Korog Neshekin. Okay, so I want to practice some Korog, and so I have a bunch of questions here, and then you can practice these on your own and in your workshop. But right here, make this a little bit bigger. See, I have the English and then the Gaelic. Now, so what I'd like us to do is get used to asking the question and answering it. Okay, so see if we can do that. So, kun aha uado yan vu.
Unaha uado boo.
Okay, how would you answer that?
Adolian Wu.
Anju.
Anju, yeah, okay. Ha
I
mi
have to make the
do.
whole sentence though.
Okay, yeah.
Hami Adol Yan
Boo.
Wu.
June.
Anju.
Anju.
Yeah, that's good. That's good.
Da
Okay.
Ur.
En een dauur. Okay, dleva. Dauur. Dauur fesker. Okay, dleva. Okay. So, yeah. So, and the way to practice it too is to repeat as much of the sentence as you can. I mean, don't just say yes or no or something like that, or but so Kunaha Junior Jayshul.
A junior Jayshul. Anish.
Anish.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, there you go.
That's good. Okay.
What is it? It's not Shek, the other one. What is 6? Shia.
Shia Uren. Okay.
Yeah.
Shia Uren. Okay. Dleva. Dleva. The Junior J shows Shia Uren. Okay.
Shia Ur.
Okay. Hun Achayu Yan Skol.
I mean,
School.
a guy
Town
in
and San
school.
Diego.
Ounce and oh no, Kun. When?
Oh, when?
Uh,
When?
Yeah.
When did you go to school?
On J.
Yesterday.
On J. Okay.
Today,
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So yeah. And always remember that, when you're doing these kinds of grammar exercises, nobody's fact checking you, so if you, so you just kind of make something up or, but the idea is to get the grammar correct.
Okay, I got a quick question, kind of,
Yeah.
and I don't know if we've gone over this. A date, how would you say, well, let's do 19 because it'd be easier.
Do what?
Date, you're saying 1990. Like, how do you
Okay.
say that in Gaelic? Like,
Okay.
and when did you go to school? Oh, but don't say
Right.
2000, although it might be easier. But
18 something. Yeah.
yeah,
Okay.
1853.
Okay. All right. So 1990. Okay. So the easy way and the hard way. The easy way is many Gaels will just use the English numbers here.
So
Like
19.
they'll
They say
actually,
it in English.
yeah, they'll say 1990.
Okay.
Okay. All right. So anyway, so that's kind of the easy way, and that's very common. Okay. So they'll use Gaelic numbers for all the other numbers, but for the years, they'll very often use this. Okay. However, nuair, fhaite, jug,
Jug.
it's care, figure, subject.
Wow.
Wait. Keher, so Nui.
That's 9.
910.
910,
And-
19, and
And
care,
Four.
figure,
four
4
20s
20s,
and a 10.
Mm.
and 10.
Okay, I see. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, hold
so
on.
you have to
because
pull out your calculator.
That's how they say 90 is 4 20s and 10.
I'm sorry.
That's how they say 90.
Yeah, care, figure, subject.
4 20s.
Yeah,
Ah.
yeah. So there's a more modern, I don't know, more modern, but there is a decimal system too, and it's something like, I learned this one, so nuchit. I think it's something like that, nuchit.
19.
No, I mean just like that, 90.
90.
Yeah. Yeah, but that's the new decimal system. I have to look that up. I'm not that familiar with it. Yeah, because I learned this, care, figure, subject.
Okay, figure the jack.
Yeah, I mean, so you go figure subject for 30, da icket, 220s, yeket, half 100, three ficket, 60, three ficket subject, 70, care ficket, 80, care ficket subject, 90, and then kiet, 100.
Kiet.
Okay?
Kiet me la faccia.
Okay, let's see. So Jack and
Jack.
Ficket 20.
Ficket.
Ficket's Jack
Ficket's Jack.
30.
30.
Figure.
Da Icket.
Figure.
Yeah,
Da
because
Icket.
Da Lenites and Yeket. Half 100.
Oh.
Lick it.
Lick it.
Hit.
Oh,
Okay, and let's see what it
Lick it.
three
Tree
Ficket
Ficket.
equals
60.
60. Yeah. Three
Ficket Jack.
Jack. Yeah, Jack.
Tree
70. Here, Ficket
Kier.
equals 80. 4 20s.
Ah.
Here, Ficket. So Jack
The Jack.
equals 90, and then Kiet
Kit.
equals 100. Yeah,
Kit.
Yeah.
Kit.
there we go. Okay.
So if you were to say like 1970 or 1994 or 94, so it's Cahert, Ficket, a Jack. Would you say like August Cahert or
What are we saying?
like 94? Let's say.
1994.
Or just 94 in general.
Okay. Neukietjik. Okay. It's Keir Fiketsi Kerjik. Okay. Yeah. 1994 equals Nui Kietjug. Is we say 94 Keir Fikets Keir and 14. Okay. See, so
4 and 10.
4, 20, and 14 and Kerjuk.
So I would say with the it's 90. So let's say the odd years. So, because would you do that for 60? Not necessarily, would you? Or not like 61?
Yeah. 3 Fikets a hoon.
Yeah. Okay. So when you're getting in like the odd numbers, so now you're adding that 10, let's say. So you turn it into a teen instead of.
Right. Yeah.
Like it wouldn't be.
Yeah. 71 would be
August Ficket or August Kahert or whatever.
3 Fiket
Okay.
3 Fikets a hoon. Okay.
So it's like 3 20s and 110 kind of.
Yeah, yeah, and 110 or
not 110 but 1 and 10.
Yeah, yeah. So pull out your abacus.
Jeez. I'm glad they took on the English version.
yeah. Anyway, okay, so a couple more. Kunahik train.
Kunahik train. Train.
Antenna, chicken, yeah.
Gaur, okay, daur, okay, leva, okay. Okay, hik an trainig daur, okay. Kunastat an ushka.
Kunastat
when did
an ushka.
Okay.
Yeah.
Anushka or
Anushka.
A stat anushka eater, okay. Anushka aun. Okay, so and remember ushka means well, it means generally water, but it also means rain.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so you have to pick it up from context. Okay. It could start anushka.
On Duolingo, they say like they put a T in front of it for rain. But I don't know if they say on
Tushka.
like
Antushka?
Yeah.
Tushka.
But I don't know if they put the an in front of it though.
They do. They do.
Okay.
That's why they have to put the T.
Yeah.
Okay.
T and then a dash.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, no, I don't think so.
That's what they did.
Okay, well, they might do it, but
where is it? I just saw it. Maybe that's the T they're trying for.
Tushka, yeah, well.
What is that? The rudder wake?
Yeah, the rudder is Sturek. The steering Sturek,
The steering water.
Yeah.
The rudder for steering, right? Like
Ushka, yeah.
Oh.
With rain on Ushka. Oh, wait, on Tushka. Oh, no. You're right. Yeah. Oh. Okay. It's okay. Yeah, I know what's going on. The Ushka is one of those words that's alternately feminine or masculine.
Oh.
Okay. So in the masculine form, it would be Antushka. Okay. In the feminine form, which is how I've learned it, it's Anushka.
Mm.
Okay.
Because when I saw that, seeing Duolingo, it's like, when will the water reach this? When will the water stop? I guess even if you had it as water, but you kind of guess. I mean, unless there's a flood.
Yeah,
things
yeah.
overrunning.
Yeah. right here. So you could say on Antushka, but it's the let's see. Yeah, but sometimes when you have the on, you have the definite article, it signifies rain. But you can't signify rain without the definite article. I mean, you can't say vaushkaun, there was water, there was rain. So anyway, okay. But okay. All right, Leva. Okay. And then we have the rest of those that you can work on and we can come back to. And so you can so in your exercise session, you can play around with some of those. Ask a question and then throw the ball to your partner, or have your partner answer it in one way or another. So remember, in answering it, you can do a couple things if you want to. If you're quick enough, you can look it up in the dictionary. Open up a Gaelic dictionary on the internet, and though I give you the translation over here, kunaha on class. Okay, when is class? And so han class amatic. Okay, and you can stay very simple in your answers. Okay. The important thing is to try to get the form. So here we're practicing with the cuin, hearing the cuin, okay, and recognizing it as asking a when question. Next week we'll work on exercises for nuair.
Okay.
Okay, we'll have nuair, statements. Okay, not necessarily questions, because remember, nuair doesn't always come with the question, but maybe. But I'll figure something out that we have exercises with nuair, and so we can do those. Okay, but this week just practice with the cuin, hearing the cuin. So and with the cuin, the question is directed at you, okay, or somebody generally, and then you answer a when question. Okay. When is this going? Kuna go coffee. When did you drink coffee?
And now would it be a goal? Like
Golni coffee.
Anamad.
Ansamaten.
Ansamaten.
Yeah, sure.
Ansamaten.
Yeah, ansamaten. Yeah. I drank coffee in the morning. Okay, Leva. All right.
Okay, but if you're saying I drank coffee this morning, how would you say that? I drank coffee isn't it, don't you use ba or
Yes.
Yeah, well, golni coffee. You could say golni coffee, savaten.
okay.
What?
But like to say like like this morning, but in the past, like today,
Yeah, right. Yeah. Yo, savaten. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. You very rarely say something like this, like Savaten show or something like that. Like you don't say that. I mean, so for instance, if you want to say this year, you would say Ambliana, the year.
All right.
Not Ambliana show. Okay, so Savaten means either in the morning or this morning. Okay, according to context. Okay. All right. Let's see. Okay. Yeah. So here's one. I'll put this here. Kun avistu coffee. Okay. So no, we haven't encountered this. We haven't learned this, but that's the future form. That's the future form. And so this is asking you not so much when will you drink coffee in the future, or when do you usually drink coffee? And so in both of these cases, you could say Savaten. When will you drink coffee? In the morning, Savaten. Or when do you usually drink coffee? Savaten, in the morning. You see, so yeah, so that Savaten changes meaning slightly depending on context. Okay. And then down here, we were asked what the times were. And so we can review uur, 1 o'clock, da uur, okay, 2 o'clock, 3 uren,
3 uren.
3 uren.
3 o'clock, keher uren,
Keher uren.
4 o'clock,
Koik
koig
uren.
uren,
Koik
5
uren.
o'clock, shia
Shia.
uren,
Shia
4
uren.
uren.
6 o'clock, shak uren,
Shak
6
uren.
uren.
7 o'clock, och uren,
8 uren.
okay, 8 o'clock,
Nui.
nui uren.
Nui uren.
9 uren.
How did I spell that right? Well, it might go like that. Nui uren. Yeah. Nui uren. Okay. Jech uren,
Jack uren.
Yeah.
10 o'clock. Un uur jug,
Uren.
Jug.
11 o'clock. And da uur jug,
Ja. Da. Jug.
12 o'clock. Okay. And then you can, savaten or fisker, add savaten or fisker.
Do they use a 24-hour clock?
Yes, sometimes they do. Sometimes they do, but I don't because I can't.
No, too many.
Yeah,
Go back
because
to
I,
English, 1 o'clock.
yeah, because I just, I start going, let's see, it's 17 o'clock. And so that's 12 minus 17.
5.
12. Yeah,
5.
yeah.
Carry the 1, divide by 3.
Yeah, I don't get it. I don't.
I
get
went
it.
to San Diego State and they used that.
Oh, did they? Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Well, I understand the usefulness in terms of printed schedules or schedule. Yeah, but it's very difficult for me personally to get it anyway. So anyway, yeah,
My
but
husband
yeah.
was in the military, so they used it.
Mhm.
And so to me, it's just, I would look like 17, let's say, just take 2 away, that's 5. So,
Okay, there you go.
or 15, but 5,
Yeah. Okay. All right. And so the months,
Oh, those are.
oil check,
Oil check.
okay.
I'll check.
Angeren,
Angeren.
okay. Amarscht,
Amarst.
Angipling,
Angiblen.
Wayne,
Ankeestjen,
Angkeestjen.
Anogvios.
Ogios.
Actually, that should be Antogvios.
Oh.
Okay.
Antog,
Anchuker,
Anchuker.
Anlunestal,
Lunestal.
Antolten,
Holten.
Andaver,
Andaver.
okay, Antouwen,
Antouwen.
Allen,
and Andulak.
Andula.
Dulac,
The dark month. And as somebody noted last week, the Antouwen, that's the same word as Samhain. It's a Halloween month. It's the okay.
In Shrek, the town was Dulac.
What? Uh-huh.
In Shrek, do you remember the town was Dulac?
Duloc, yeah.
Oh, was it? Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Okay. All right. And then
I know too many Disney movies and animated.
yeah. Okay. Okay. And then Jaluin,
Jaluin.
Marsht,
Demar.
Kirtan,
Kiritan.
Jahunya,
Jehunya.
Isarnya,
Isarnya.
and Lana Savage.
Lana
Savage.
Savage.
Did
Or
we do Thursday?
or
Yeah, we skipped
Jadonia.
it.
Yeah, Justun.
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 Mm.
Okay, yeah, Justun. Okay.
Justun.
And Justun and Jahunya sound a little bit alike.
Mhm.
A mnemonic device that I figured out
Mhm.
is D comes before H.
Mhm.
Justun, Jahun. So
Jehun.
D comes before H, so Thursday would come before Friday.
Thursday.
So, so if something like that helps, anyway. And then Jadonia.
Chidonia.
Sidonia.
Sidonia.
Yeah, so 2 words for Sunday, okay? And then some
Sorry.
general words for rare, last night,
Rare.
rare, Vonjay,
Avonche.
Monje.
day before yesterday, on J,
Anje.
yesterday, Amarik,
Amare.
Arek.
tomorrow. On erer,
On
Ere.
ere.
the day after tomorrow. On uri, on
On
uri,
On
Or,
urik.
or,
on uri,
Uri.
or,
On uri.
Ambliana.
Ambliana.
Ambliano.
Liana.
Okay, there you go. And then I think we went over the numbers. No, okay,
Okay.
there we go. Yeah, and when you're counting just numbers, one thing to remember is it's so by itself it's un, ga, three, so if you have a noun following it, okay. But if you're counting a hun, a ga, a tri, a keher, so you have the in front of it.
Ah.
Okay.
Okay, so un, a ga, a tri, a keher, a koi, a shia, a shok, a ok, a noi.
Shoch.
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay, yeah. So if you're at the gym and you're doing exercises, it'll be a hun, a ga, a tri. Okay. All right. Okay.
And so it's sort of like saying a 1 and a 2 and a
Yeah.
3,
Yeah.
something like
Exactly
that.
right. Yeah.
That's what I'm saying. That's Lawrence Welk. A 1, a 2, a 3.
1 and a 2 and a 3. Yeah, exactly.
Or
right.
like Count Dracula on
Yeah,
Sesame
okay.
Street.
Oh, yeah.
So I have this, so you can look at that,
Mhm.
and we can come back to it if we have time. But I want to get to okay, yeah,
Another òran.
another òran. Okay, spend a few minutes on this. Okay, Himi na mòrbheanna. Okay, I see the great mountains. Okay, I see the big mountains. Okay, and this is a great little song. Oh, himi na mòrbheanna.
Oh, he me na mòrbheanna.
Yeah, and when we play the song, you'll see that it goes something like, oh, he me na mòrbheanna. Okay, so it goes something like that, but it's beautiful anyway. So, oh, he me na mòrbheanna.
Mòrbheanna.
He me na mòrbheanna. Okay.
Mòrbheanna.
Oh, he me na mòrbheanna.
Oh, he me na mòrbheanna.
He me na scoren fo keo.
He me na sporen.
Keo. Okay. I see the peaks below the mist, and right here in the Corrigan, the corries. Okay, so what's a corrie? A corrie is this shape here in the mountain, sort of like the lap of the mountain. Okay,
Like
so that's
those
a
rocks.
corrie. Huh?
Like the steps.
Yeah, like the steps. It looks like the steps. That's right. Okay. It's a circular hollow on the side of a hill or a mountain. Okay, so it's not quite a valley. It's not really a valley, but it's where this shape has been made in the side of a mountain. So that's what we mean by the Corrigan. Okay, so Himi Gundal,
Himi
Gundal.
Antacha Sanrukikmi.
Antasha Rukikmi.
I see straight away, Gundal, without delay, the place where I was born. Okay, Sandrukikmi. And so here we have something we haven't studied yet, but give you a little preview. A passive form of the verb, where I was born. Okay, Kuder Autumn Falcha. Will be put to me. Again, passive future. Welcome, Sekanen Ahukishmi.
Sekanen Ahukishmi.
Okay, in a language that I understand. They gave me an oi.
Gave me an
Okay. I will receive hospitality. I will get hospitality and love when I reach there. Nach reken tuniken or. That I wouldn't sell for tons of gold. Okay. The translation has trade, but very often translated sell anyway. But so he mean a question.
He mean a
question.
He mean a dorican.
Dorican.
Okay, I see the woods, I see the thickets. A dorican is either a thicket or what you might call a copse, a small grove of trees. Okay. Hemiaun, Magen, Bana is torica. Torica. So fields fair, Bana, literally white, but fair and fertile. Okay, torica. Heminafe. I see the deer. Erlar nancorican. On the ground of the let's see, yeah, on the ground of the quarries. Falix Antruscan Jehil. Either hidden or sheltered or shrouded in a garment of mist or fog. Okay, Falixja, and yeah, so that would be Falixja. Falixja. Okay. Biountican Arta.
Biountican Arta.
It's Ali Lekinen. That is with slopes that are beautiful. Okay. Slug Aun Onconi. People who are always is Cora Klekinen.
Lekinen. Is that the folk?
Yeah. Well, slug would be the folk who are always kind, who are always of good habits, behavior. Okay. So Utremoheim. Light my step. A lame gum fechen. Leaping to see them, bounding to see them. Okay. Is funny me talking legion. And I will remain for a while willingly, legion, with willingness. Okay. Okay. All right. So let's try that. So now I have, let's see. So I wonder if yeah.
I was eating because I was stressed out, candy bars and chips and donuts, gaining weight. But since I started.
Okay, so this one has the words printed on the screen. So yeah, so we can follow along. Okay. All right, let's try it. Wait, now, now I remember what helps us sometimes is if we go just a little bit slower. So hold on. Okay, I'll slow it down just a little bit, okay? Here we go, okay. Remember to mute. There we go. Oh, let's see.
Can't hear you.
Uh-oh, did we lose? No, screen's there.
Ah,
Say
Go.
something, Michael. Can't hear you.
What, hello? Can you hear me now?
Yay, yay.
no, but it could
Yeah.
before.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. All right. So I'll go over that again. I was talking to myself. Okay. He is, obviously an important word in the song. And just a little grammatical note, it can mean I will see. It can mean I see. I see something right now. Or it could even mean I can. Did I say I can see? I see, I will see, or I can see. So depending on context, okay? It's formally speaking, it's the simple future of the irregular verb, okay? Okay. And then I notice right here, let's see, new, I think, yeah, probably right here in the song on the screen, it was printed like that, with a, with the space. Okay. So just just again, the variation. And I said that in older text, sometimes you'll see that kind of spelling. I was reading, oh, Pat. So
yes.
The book that we're reading in the advanced class.
Yes.
Immersed,
the murder.
I saw that the author used nuair a couple times.
Nuair.
Nuair instead of nuair. So, and that was written in the 1970s. So it's still used. So sometimes you do have these variations. Okay. Okay. All right. Okay. Any questions about that? No? Beautiful song. Beautiful song. All right. So we have about 10 minutes left. And how do you like to read a story or read part of a story? Don't it?
The Princess and the Kitten.
Yeah. Avana Florunza Mari August Fishik.
So what is something princess? What is the Von?
I mean, it's a woman, so that's why it's a female.
Yeah, exactly right. Yeah. Avana Florunza. The prince, a prince would be the prince. Avana Florunza would be the girl prince.
So what's Vana?
It's a girl.
Yeah.
A female.
Girl princess. Okay.
That's right. Yeah. Or the girl prince.
Yeah.
Okay.
See, it's the Vana that feminizes it.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Okay. So, and you can put that in front of almost anything. So you can say, Avana Heacher.
Avana Heacher.
Yeah.
Woman teacher.
Yeah, the
woman, girl teacher.
Yeah, the girl, woman, female teacher, so, okay, so Avana teacher, okay?
It's kind of like saying lady cop.
Okay. It's kind of like the S that used to be more common in English, like stewardess or actress,
okay.
That we've gotten away from stewardess, actress,
hostess,
yeah, oh yeah, very good, hostess, yeah. So it's kind of like that, okay. Okay, and it's still used quite a bit in Gaelic, okay. Because actually, you know, there's no other way to say princess than Ivana Frunza.
Frinsa.
Okay, yeah, okay. All right, so.
Now this one's not leniting the Vana in the book.
Oh,
It's saying Vana,
Bana, yeah. So why
not
is that?
Vana.
Why is that? Can you
I don't know.
guess?
Misha,
Okay. Because
I am.
it in the title, in fact, I am going to go to, I have a better copy here. Okay, where are we? Okay, yeah, okay. Ivana Frunza, Mari, August Fishik. Okay, so like right here, it's Misha, Isha, Ivana Frunza, Mari. Well, you see, it's not the princess.
Oh, she's talking.
Yeah, it is I, Princess Mary. You know, so she's not saying the Princess Mary. She's just saying.
Oh, okay.
Okay. So it's Ivana when it's the princess. Okay. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. Anytime. Sufficient royal.
Sufficient
Oil.
royal.
Okay. And the kitten royal, well mannered.
Oh, well,
Okay.
Oh, good kitty.
Good kitty. Yeah,
Definitely a fairy tale. No.
Okay. Che Asharlum.
Okay.
Che Asharlum.
A Charloon.
Asharlum. Okay.
Better.
Che, yeah, that I
Like?
that I like, that I prefer.
Liam.
Yeah, more than like Charlum. Okay, I prefer.
Char.
And Che is the one.
The one.
Oh,
Yeah,
the one
yeah,
I
Che.
like a lot.
Yeah. The Che would be the female one. So if you're referring to, you know, that's the one, it would be, you know, if it's female, it'd be unche. If it's masculine, it'd be unfair.
Unfair.
Yeah, who would be the one? Okay. How afia hamovaher.
How Afia Hamovaher.
Okay, over there, knitting afia is my mother.
Is my mother.
And we see right here, I think we see
On the other end of that.
Right here, yeah. Picture of mom knitting. Okay. Shaun Afia, Howl Afia, over there, Howl. Okay. Is Mukunyef Mahar Savik.
Is Mukunyef Mahadar Savik.
Savik, yeah. Savik. Okay. And the king with his crown on. Okay. Savik, quiet. You know, my father, quiet, my quiet father. Okay. Shall a physic agiri kluch.
Shall
a giddy kluch.
Okay.
Look,
My kid likes to play.
That's
He's
right.
wanting to play.
Wants to play.
Wanting to play. Yeah. Okay.
Is wanting to play.
Yeah. Sna mun vienig is mun vloeg.
Mun wenig is mun vloek.
Okay. Sna the thread about its middle and its cheeks.
Look his cheeks.
Okay, mun vloeg. Okay. Rain a fishik asnajian.
Rain a fish asnajian.
Okay. The made off, something like made off, you know, ran away or made off, the kitten.
The kitten made off.
With speed. Okay. Okay.
Eatable.
Edible, a glucid, a nulisinol.
Edible. No.
Okay.
No.
Edible.
Edible. I don't know what that is.
Tail, yeah. Moving, glucid.
Lose it.
Anul is an all.
His
Back and
tail
forth.
was going back and forth.
Yeah. Annulus and all, so now annulus and all can be like the tail, or hamiadol annulus and all. I'm going back and forth. I'm going over there and then coming back or something like that. Okay. So annulus and all can be short distance or a long distance. Okay. Shit akaf mari.
Shit.
Shit.
Marty.
Agus Marty.
Isha kuchuk.
Sikushik.
Agus a fishik. Agus an coolan.
Agus a fishik. Agus an coolan.
Okay. So so here we shift from the first person to, I guess, the third person. So here you have Shit Akif Mari and her also Isha Kushik, Agus a Fishik.
And a kitten.
And a kitten.
And a kitten and a dog.
And the dog.
And and the puppy. And Agus,
What is the word SIUD mean?
where?
SIUD. It's shit.
Oh, shoot.
Shoot.
Should.
Akiv Mari.
Yeah. Something like there you have.
Oh, there you have.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Shit Akif. Shits and show. Yeah. Sometimes you'll encounter in something like shits and show. Shits and show.
Oh, there you have it.
Yeah. Shits and show here and there.
Oh,
Shinnok. I
okay.
had a Gaelic friend. We were talking Gaelic on an air flight, and the whole time we got off the flight, and so her. We're still talking Gaelic, and we're waiting by the baggage carousel, and she saw her luggage coming, and she's saying shit.
That's a bad word.
Yeah.
Well,
People are looking at her.
When you put it with show, it sounds like you're saying there's a shit show.
Yeah, shit show. Shit show. Exactly right. Yeah. Okay. Anyway, all right. So, okay. So here's the the pishik, running away, tangled up in the sna.
Snot is yarn.
Yarn or thread, something like that. Okay.
Oh, this is
And then
bad.
right here, okay. An urshin roskol doris nakach.
An
Okay.
Anur.
Okay.
It's
Roskol opened.
Balls.
On urshin, that would be Ben on urshin. And so here we should see the same,
Anur.
or the same root as newer or on ur.
Yeah.
On urshin, then, okay. Roskol, open the door,
Dorisna.
the cage.
Oh, the door with the cage.
Oh, the cage.
Yeah. Ishin and amach is a skay.
Ishin aske.
Yeah. Literally birds out and flying.
We're out and flying. Okay.
Birds out and flying. So not what we would consider in English a complete sentence, but perfectly allowable in Gaelic. So birds out and flying. Okay. So, all right. Okay.
Sounds like a real sheesh show.
Yeah, exactly right. Yeah. Chemical kahar or adri.
Chemical.
Kahar
Or
adri. Okay. Around the gold chair of the king. Kahar or gold anri, the king of the king. Rui a fishik leshans tna.
Rui a fishik lish sna.
Okay. Ran Rui a fishik with lesh antna with the thread. Okay. On Kulin snahishinin as ayaj. After her, Asajay, okay, Nahishanan, and literally that's the chicks, so little baby birds, okay, Mari Krupcha and Lar,
Mari Kupcha Aaron Lar.
Okay, so here she's krupcha.
Crawling.
Crouching.
Crawling. Crouching.
Yeah,
Crouching.
yeah. Well, crouched down on the floor.
Crouched.
Krupcha,
Aaron
Lar.
Under the chair?
Well, on the floor.
On the floor. Oh, Laura's floor.
Yeah, Lars floor. Yeah, okay. Troet, Hurstan Kulen.
Troik. Troik.
Cooling.
Okay. Come, said the dog. Ageich, Kachevelu,
Gaya. Kachevelu.
shouting, Kachevelu. Where are you?
Where are you?
Furich.
Furich.
Yeah, wait. So now Furich, we've encountered it many times as meaning to live someplace. I mean Furich.
A Furich.
Yeah,
but
it can also mean to wait.
Oh.
So if you're walking your dog, you can say Furich on show. Yeah, wait there. Okay. All right. Or if you're talking to your kids and they're saying, I want a cookie now, you say Furich. Just wait a minute. Okay, all right. So Suis is Shias on Styravor.
Suis and Styrivor.
Up and
Stairs?
down. Suis and Shias, yeah. On Styravor.
The big stairs.
Big stairs. That's right. And one thing to note in Gaelic, well, in English we say stairs, plural, and Gaelic it's on styra, singular.
On styra. Vor.
On styravor, yeah, it'd be singular. Okay. Maybe a translation would be the staircase or something like that. Okay, but it still means the stairs, but it's singular. Okay. Shoot Isha amach and Doris Kul.
Shoot Isha mach and Doris
Kul. Okay. Shoot, there. She out on Doris Kul, the back door. Doris Kul. Doris would be door, and Kul would be back. Yeah. Shoot Isha.
Cool.
So there she goes. Literally something like there she goes out
the back door.
Yeah, but right here in this phrasing there is no going. I mean that's what it means, but it's not there explicitly. Okay, so here we have a picture of going around all the what do you call it? The pillars. Amach le mari yanan les.
Amach le mari yanan les.
Out with Mary to the I think that's garden, to the garden. Gundat achsna santulik ye.
Antulik
Gundat achsna
Tulik
ye.
Yay.
Without anything but yarn or thread and more of. Okay. Hui it shias is like it ano. Hui it shias is like it ano.
It's like it
ano. Okay. And they sat down. So all of them sat down. Okay.
They sat.
And they something like and they took a break or they took a breath, breath. Okay, so lucky it would be they let literally something like they let a breath, but it means that they took a breath or took a break. Okay, lucky it ano. Okay, and hui would be to sit, the action of sitting. So they sat down. Okay. Akshut afishik is nakavik.
Akshut afishik
is
nakavik.
But there, the kitten and she in her hurry. Come on, let's go. Okay. And she in her hurry nakavik. Okay. A machkustapel.
Gustavo.
an echban,
Non
Ekban.
on, okay, gak ach, koticha, lesna.
The stable of a white horse.
Yeah, to the stables of the white horse, of the white horses, okay. Gak acha, koticha, lesna, each place covered with
yarn.
yarn thread, yeah, okay. All right, so, okay. Hic arash glui mari art. Hic arash glui mari art. Hic arash, come back,
Come back.
yelled
Yelled.
Mary loudly, art, okay.
Or tall, right?
Yeah, but it would be loudly here.
Loud.
Though it should be guart, okay. Ha'u'milich mochutzna. Milich mochutzna. Yeah, you're spoiling, and we saw that in I've been cheated. How many edemo?
You're spoiling the yarn.
My bit of yarn. Okay.
Ruining it.
Shoot a fishik.
Shoot the fishik.
A dol sheket. Less cow.
Cow.
It's na cruven spacho. Okay. And they're the
kitten.
Went you run the cabbage garden, and the spacho, the elegant trees, something like the spacho, elegant.
Spacho is like special.
No, not special, but like elegant
or decorative or something.
Yeah, could be decorative. Yeah, okay. Pretty beautiful
topiaries.
Yeah, right here, topiary. Yeah, the Cruven spacho. Yeah, and so here we go through. So here's the the vegetable garden. Okay, Anisha Jen of spores kitchen.
Anisha Jen of spores kitchen. Oh,
okay. And now making
dinner in the
spores. Making sport, having fun.
Fun in the kitchen.
In the kitchen.
Yeah, a gin of spores. Okay, and we see this word also used in vice sporsal. It was fun, vice sporsal. Okay, right. The skeleton, a lame sabucho.
The skeleton, a lame.
Skeleton, lame sabucho. Okay. The skillets, the pots and pans, jump and clang and clatter. Okay. Okay. On Tervent. Vayanish Nahaken. Big is an sna and loop a hela. Okay. The servant, she was now Nahaken in an emergency. Okay. The food and the thread or yarn were tangled up together on loop akela. Okay. Oh, so here we go. Nahaken, Vayi Nahaken. Okay. Shinu Arsavana
Shinu Arsavana
Prinsa Mari.
Okay. Hafiz Anish. Gujeva Kyar. Okay. Shinu, there you are. Said, Princess Mary. Arsa is an interesting word. It only exists in print. People don't say it, but it means something like said, you know, but you only see it in print.
Mm.
You know, something like in English, you might see occasionally somebody says quoth, you know, something, but it's only in print. Okay. Hafis anish.
Fish, anish.
Fish and niche. Good.
Is knowledge now, Gajeva, what what's wrong with you? Okay. Jeva, what's wrong with you? Okay. Okay. Sanabo Lorek Bavam.
Shaunava u
Lorek Bavam.
Mommy.
Kucho Blah.
Kucho blah.
It was that you were seeking your mother. Kuto blah is achakato. Kuto.
Warmth.
Is that a cuddle?
Yeah. Something warm and a place to sleep. So it's right here. She says,
and a bed.
the niche gujeva kar or okay. So now I know what was wrong with you. You were
wanting your mother.
Yeah, you're seeking your mother. Okay, and that's it. Okay, so that's why the little kitten was running. So let's see. So I'm not familiar with kuto. A cuddle.
Oh, it is a cuddle.
A cuddle.
Cuddle. It sounds like cuddle.
Yeah, a warm cuddle. Kuto blah is achakato. Okay. And a place to sleep. Okay.
Oh, warm cuddle in a bed.
Yeah.
Cuddle is like bed, right?
Yeah. So that's the Ivana Frunzimari.
That's cute.
Yeah, cute little story. Okay. All right. So Ivana Frunzimari Augustafishik. Okay. All right. Okay. So I'm gonna close this, and of course this included in the chapter. Okay, so any questions? Oh, okay, all right. So why don't we take a little break, and then Heather, do you want to come back and maybe work it? We can work a little bit on the on the prompts, you know, on the Kuhn questions. Okay. Okay. All right. So let's. So when would you want to come back? When do you want to?
8:55.
Yeah.
Okay, 8:50.
That works.
Okay, sounds good. Okay, so I'm going to anoint you.
Princessa.
Yes, Princess, but Ivana Frunza.
Ivana Princess.
Ivana Frunza Heather. Okay. Okay, Leva. Okay, all right. So Anna Hacken. Okay.
Tapalev. Martian leave.
Andrasta.
Okay.
Cat?